My 2-minute conviction this week is that mentorship for most people is a crucial part of their leadership development. You want to have one and you want to be one. I feel very grateful that from the age of 15 to now, so for 30 years, I have had the benefit of a mentor in my life, and maybe not the same person all the way through, but at different stages of marriage and life and business and leadership, there have been people investing into me their time, their money, their effort, and I'm better for it. And so I now think of mentorship in a 360-degree perspective. If it's you in the middle, then you want to have mentors, people who are older, been there, done that. From their experience, they're able to give you wise insight to help you navigate the circumstances that you're facing today. But you also want to be a mentor to others. So you want mentees. As you're paying it forward and investing into others, you're reinforcing your learning. You're obviously giving people the benefit of your experiences, and it's a wonderful way to ensure the circle of life of leadership development is at work. But then also, finally, I want peer mentors, people who I'm running the race of life right alongside. We are doing so much of the adventure together. We are experiencing similar challenges, the same types of opportunities. We're in a similar stage of life or decade of life. And at different times, as we kind of run shoulder to shoulder, we can be an encourager. We can be one of those sparring partners. At different times, we will play unique roles in each other's lives, but we're more siblings in the model of that 360-degree perspective. So mentors, you want to be one, you want to have one, take a 360-degree view and enjoy this week considering who you will let into your world in that capacity, because it's my conviction mentorship is such a crucial part of your leadership development.